Pwede. Ikaw ba nagtanggal nito?
Oo, di ako marunong eh. May tried lang. Walang marinate yan.
Galing nga eh.
Yeah. I don't know kung umaga siya Ano oras ka girl magkukumon? Umaga or hapon? Umaga. Gigising ka. Bahala ka. Singin mo ko pag nagising ka ha.
Bahala ka. Ganun.
Mamaya gigising yan. It's 1.
Gigising siya, bahala siya. Ganun yun. Teka. Naiwan ako ng service.
Ay.
Anong gagawin ko? Di agad mo. Pambihirap buhay ito. Amazing. Either way. Life it's like that, right? Now, you need to put the seasoning in here, right? Salt and pepper.
To taste. Parang unti lang yung pepper mo.
See the salt? The salt that we have is very particular.
Himalayan only. Color pink.
Himalayan.
Wait, talaga pang nagpe-pepper ka? Parang wala.
What the fuck?
Are you kidding me?
There's no pepper. It's just a joke.
Eat.
Alright. And it's video, right?
Okay. Eh, di ba kapag nag-video call mo ako sa'yo, nag-automatic zoom siya.
That I don't know. I think there is a different function. Right. So what you need to do is keep this in the side, right? And let the cat eat it. Hindi mo kumakain eh.
Konti na naman kaya mo.
Kailan naman kumakain?
Wow! Sabang ito.
May flour ka ba dyan, ga? Flour?
Di ba dun ikaw nagamit? Tingnan mo. Dun. Sila yun. Flour. Cornstarch ba?
This cornstarch.
That's
And this
flour.
is palawer.
And this is... Ay, cake flour yan, burger.
That's alright.
Okay, sige. Generic kasi ang...
Ganji water.
Di ba ka madami ang ano mo? Ang dami ka.
Right, next, manok. You know what is manok is?
So how many tempura did I made? Actually, may natira pa dun sa ref. Plano ko sigang na lang yun na some other days. Not now. It's too much food. Ew.
Shit.
Ew.
Ano to? Buo?
Do what?
Ito?
Oo. Actually, it's a leg. Ayaw yun ng anak mo. At then,
No. What I'm saying is, anong gagawin dito? Puputulin?
ikaw discarte mo na yun kasi ikaw yung chef. Tsaka may narinig ko na yun na ba't mo hinugasan?
Talaga. Fuck, di ko naman inugasan.
What the heck?
Tignan mo itong manok ko. Ini-slaughter eh.
Because it's leg, Papa.
Kawawa naman.
And I already deboned it.
Then, it was marinated already. But the thing is, this chicken is brutally butchered.
Ay, grabe siya.
See? I don't know who prepared this, but I guess. Tumataas siya. Next. Acute amount of cornstarch.
Sir, so parang...
Oh shoot, sorry.
May acute pala ng term sa proportion. Acute angle.
Garlic.
Powder.
Marinated na yan yung manok.
Alam mo, bago mo yung garlic powder, mabilis yan tumigas ng hygroscopic. May lube, di ko alam kung nandyan.
Gusto ba ikaw na lang magluto?
No, I'm just saying na yung mga stuff kung saan. Oh,
Ang gulo mo ah.
so sensitive. Bye! I'm gonna go.
Ciao. Now, the end is near, and so I face. Right? Pindutin.
So good. It's so good. Di ba yung hilaw yung chicken?
Alright. Hello, girl. Go eat. Nak, kain na tayo. Nakatulog ka, nak? Ha? Pwede ka na nagtulog, ha?
Nagdanilig kayo na. Ganyang angle.
Di maganda kasi nakatablet. Baka pwedeng tanggalin yung tablet kasi kumakain. May privilege niya. Habang kumakain, may sinihan pa. Galing, no? Nice. Thank you. Ciao.